Welcome to the Faster, Easier, Better show with your hosts Lee Silber and Ellen Goodwin.
Welcome to another episode of the Faster, Easier, Better show. I'm your co-host Ellen Goodwin, along with my co-host.
Hang on. Okay, I'm here.
What?
It was harder than I thought it would be to get in position.
No, you know what you need to do? You need to make the hard things easy and the easy things hard.
That's what it was. I knew something was supposed to be easy.
Yeah.
Just got it backwards.
Yeah, so
Why don't you explain that? Because it's a really great concept.
Okay.
For the procrastinator in all of us.
In all of us. So this is one of our refresh episodes. We're revisiting an episode that we did 100 episodes ago. Things have changed, but when it comes to making the easy hard, hard easy, nothing changes. And basically what this concept is making the things that are easy to do that might not be good for us, like procrastinating, maybe eating all the Girl Scout cookies, staying in bed too late, hitting the snooze alarm, things that aren't helpful to us, making those easy things, because trust me, it's easy to sit and eat those Girl Scout cookies, making that hard to do. And making the hard things, sitting down and doing your homework or staying on a diet or exercising, making those things easy to do. So in the case of the Girl Scout cookies, easy to do. They're sitting on my counter. I walk in the kitchen. I just grab one. Okay, that's easy. How can I make it hard? Well, shut the box up or never open it up and keep it in the garage. Keep it in the freezer in the garage. Keep it in a box wrapped in aluminum foil in the freezer in the garage. Make it hard to do that thing that otherwise you would do almost mindlessly. Now, the hard things, sitting down to do your homework, doing your exercises, whatever that is, figure out a way to make it easy to do. Always have everything ready for doing your homework. You know exactly what you're going to do for 20 minutes. Okay, I have my list. I'm going to sit down. I don't have to think about anything. Boom, boom, boom. I get it done. It's easy to do. That's making the hard easy, the easy hard.
Exactly. And when you have the hard stuff out and it's one less step, that's what we're trying to eliminate.
Exactly.
Like you're adding steps to make things harder and to just reverse that and make it so easy that the file's already out or open on your desktop.
Mm-hmm.
You left off the previous day at an easy place to start again.
Right.
You put it on your chair so that you have to pick it up to sit down.
Yes.
Right. So it's already in your hand.
Uh-huh.
All those things. I know it sounds hokey in a way, but it really is a powerful tool for those of us who, I'm going to just start with the easy stuff in my day. I mean, I'm going to just check email and then it's 10 o'clock and you started at 8 and you're like, oh, I'm already ready for breakfast. And then basically by having the easiest thing out and ready to go, you start with that. When I say you're making the hard thing easy to start with,
Exactly.
you find all of a sudden you're once you get into it, once you've begun, you're halfway done. Once you get into it, you're like, okay, and you're on a nice little roll.
Exactly.
But the reason we procrastinate doing it is because, I gotta go set up the microphone, get the garage band open, do my hair. Okay, I don't have to do my hair. And then we start the podcast, So I leave the microphone out all the time.
Yeah.
And all I have to do is plug it in. It's one less step. Garage band, just open it up.
There we
I've
go.
already set, when we finish an episode, I will set up the recording for the next one. So it's already ready.
So it's all ready to go.
That's the concept I think that you're talking
Absolutely.
about. It really works for me.
Absolutely. I'm working with a woman right now who's in college and having trouble. She knows all the things that needs to happen, but she procrastinates, and then it's hard to get going on her homework. And so we're working to make her, the things she procrastinates on, we're making those hard for her to do, which is like eliminating social media. Not that we take it away, but that we block it on her computer or block it on her phone. And that way she can't just easily pick up her phone and go, oh, let me check. And then doing exactly what you said with homework. It's all set up. There's a note this is what I have to do. So when she gets done with one homework session, she writes on a Post-it the next thing she needs to do. So when she comes and sits down, she's like, oh, there it is.
I couldn't agree more. And I know this kind of ties in with something we used to talk about a lot, which I kind of got away from, but know yourself, know your natural tendencies,
Yes.
and don't fight them. Meaning, if you're one of those people that likes to flit from project to project, make it easy so that you can just grab the next thing. So, meaning you don't put everything away. If it's something you're working on, it's in progress, having them out where you could quickly get to them, I think makes a lot of sense. Others might say, well, why do you have all this out? Because I'm probably going to switch off back and forth. And one thing you said, when you're on hold waiting for something, have a little box of little projects that you can do quickly. So
Yeah.
they're right there. It's easy. Just grab it and do it while you're waiting on hold or whatever. So I think those type of things make a huge difference in increasing efficiency. And certainly when it comes to people who tend to procrastinate, it certainly helps you get going quicker.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's just a matter of looking at the things that you do easily that stop your productivity, that stop you from being efficient, and taking some time to figure out what you could do to make it harder to do those easier things. And then figure out how to make the hard things easy.
Wait, let's go back through that. So things that
Make
you
the
don't
hard.
want to do, make them hard. Things you want
No,
to
no,
do,
no.
make them easy. Is that not right?
Well, you want.
I was just trying to simplify it, meaning
Yes, you make
if there's something I really want to make sure I do, I make it as easy as possible.
as easy as
to do it.
possible.
And if it's something I don't want to do, I make it hard to get to it and hard to do it, so
Exactly.
that I don't use it as an excuse and eat too many Girl Scout cookies. Did I get
Exactly.
that right?
You got it exactly right.
Okay, good.
All right. Thanks for listening. Be sure and subscribe, like, and review, and be with us again next week for another episode of the Faster, Easier, Better Show.